Hey everyone. Today, let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI. So, what is artificial intelligence? What exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines or computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Things like learning, problem solving, and even understanding language, tasks that we, as humans, do every day. But AI isn't just a concept, it's everywhere around us. Let's take a look at some of the coolest examples of AI in action. Virtual assistants first. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa help us with everyday tasks. They can answer questions and control smart devices. Next, recommendation systems. Ever wonder how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch? Recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon use AI to suggest things you'll love based on your preferences. And here's something that's been getting a lot of attention: self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and even Volvo are developing cars that can drive themselves, all thanks to AI. Use AI to navigate without human input. Last but not least, chatbots. If you've ever interacted with customer service online or chatted with an AI like ChatGPT, you've already experienced this. AI is shaping the future, and it's already all around us. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe.